Buya kigima umwanchi umurigeria bigetaseni kyandize TV nebiro bindana ndeto kumera na asemesa yamangana maya elinde ngumanye nara yabereka gokorekana kurwa chingongo chansi inyechensa chinse mwachiche mitandao nabokwenda gutubwati asense media Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net iteterene kerubo Frida Nolio kwene kebuna chibi chane liogiria gwikira sole asenchire ya benenere Sara Mumanyi na stinse mochi biorokelio ni gotukubwateranere Lydia Mosetus katonyegera kwira nanda sege keke kirebusio elinde ngomanya mange asenchira yowinge. Mwanchi umurigereri yango kwaligani bene ilinde tobeto gusanga sobwamo gochaka bono igago ika omoelio kuyachaka amayiya yebirebiga nigo to kuyachaka korwa ase county ya Kisii anena asengo komanyabuna nigo abanyakenyoro korwa asensemo ya Riamiencha yegotoka imeye ward ya Gesusu nigo babere bagwesoke bene na boigo kwe murunganilia okobura westima asensemeyo asegeka kyumwaka oyomo bono nigo babere bakomochia kampuni ya Kenya Power ase ogotenene ya emete yestima asensemeyo asikolende tibaraba bakoimukia egetambukero na boigo kwene kibna estimeyo nkoberoro nanya nabo nigo bamuganirie omo MCA we ward ya Gesusu Anthony Onkundi kwene kibna nkuru totale enganeyo na boigo kwene kibna nkobaroseriale chipara chinga kibaba bakwene kibna nigo obukoreri bwabo bwabere bokwirana magega
omo mugabirale twachore to kurugukirage mwamusie ebara tomenyerete ebara yemechando nade bare twanye kwanderete ngakigete tachiete kuigumanga naya bone twagania omugambikirage atokonye kulime pareye nande ntobwato bakonguga ese kenyoroga omochokoronaro siretega bone tolo no moichano gari teyera etese pale yega omogambikirage twachira komatebi kirengaki yamatukonko erale bonere tata etugo toigwa amangana yestima ntobwati ase kenyoreke tomete kesunteime bone tomenyete ese kesunte etogwa kachikura kirengaki bone chikure eche etogwa kachikura chitabwati Morembe bona ndozi sibagotoka baire chirupoti echi ndotagete pareremu atevi noine gavana echi chega igerata nonere epare yega
tasiriman engometie kanyolege kia Miencha ngakia barai baroro ba chaba toira na ntwari to wakachikura chikuna chitogwaka estima tokebekere ntutweka tukanguse estima itokabeka bakachigwaya bagajichesenje yobokorekano bagaturuseri chigwaya bakaira bagatotiga torege sunte twachire gotoganya twachire kuganya ntoroje estimeyo etransformers yaga neri kobekwe ikarusiwe kairwa sangao one togosina ntweka nyolege kia Miencha ntwodi kwatanya gwaka ntobwati mora yoro ogotorire ya toroba kongu tobwate ntobwato bokongu omo MCA tano montrere gento Anthony na Daniel Manduku igorire kenyolege kia Miencha tore tomete sige sunteime ege sunteke gyatonyarire abayibi bagoja batura none chingoko waja baminyoka kene yonse igese njobo ge sunta tobwatege sunta kwalenge gwanje Daniel Manduku orire kenyolege kia Miencha estima igereri etolege sunteime
Gotigana na yo mwanchi umurigeria ni otokwenda gwikase county ya Nyamira asengo kumenyebana nigo egati ya basomu gose professionals korase county yo babere bagwesoke bene asibakoragwa na Dr. Peter Mongare Kingoina nigo babere bakumwiranira mbiamono gocha ase omurai bense Dr. William Ruto kubwatikana ne tara yaye ase county yo anene ase okuba university yerabege kubekwa ase nsemeri ya Kyabonyaru bagokwana asumubaganio yomo imeyumuchio Nyamira nigo babiri bakomomochia omobunge o West Mugrango Stephen Mogaka ase okogenda bamincha nekerengererie kiononya nabo nigo bamuganirie gwesoke bene nabo igo gusaba okwabera nabo igo kurusia ekina ekyo kebekire bosi ubwekegambero ase baba boigo bakwerera obuya bwo kubikwa kwa university imeye county ya Nyamira.
Ndabone kero bakogenda ki university chiare ninche ngoganinga ngayingusio bosie mbeke gari etome go Nairobi omwana achikoragera bone kere university ya chire gesona ga kinaende tari enga kientangani nonya naba bakabwate birenge kwenda koti koyetenenia university yego yacha yaetwe okoboke chake kero mheshimiwa the late Nyagarama Alengoro inkibata akanirete igo yari guchikoretwa ebe constituency ya University of Eldoret inkibata akanirete bone ekyo batotebie naende university enga secondary ngaka yachire kenyore ekinekyo university ekero tutayo emiaka rubono 20p abatura ntokobo abana baita bari school bono emiaka rubono mbayo engaki eyekerera ike ekere university yegenderete igekurusia abana Nigeria erusi South Africa erusi andonsi ko Tanzania bache gosoma university richetinga go yachirete constituency ya momna bono ekiagera igo yachete Nyamira tukwinenero mwesike president Ndombiamono na bali ababwateranire abashimiwa bali babwatera ntesoko yereta na Ndombiamono twabakire Mbiamono ekiagera rende ekeki yego yarwete
abarai baito neboyo moteretie noyo itare oyo minto si Mogaka no mwana ito igato nyomerete kiabanyaru omuro wa Danstan no hanyomete kiabanyaru otoko bateye basikengine byara kiara no baruye seti abangira babo kiabanyaru ngakirende nyore Peter bwebuku tatebeti Yeso na mbwene limama makobyara igo na Steve Mogaka na mumuru wa Danstan barabasani bana ne bakoyone pora sigia gitebirengererio twabariganirie bachiamo university eche iga Nyamira amangana yago tebana batekina ekina na reti agenda ari Rusia otubene tomonyoro bono tumukwana magokabiri nke university ratokonye abana baito basome bakuru nyumba abantu banyore ke barua chinyeni abana abangira baito bayire chinyeni boda nenyore gazi chinyumba ntonyore rent
Kobwatikana no kuburwa westima imeyumuchi o Nyamira nigo oboteneneli weskuru yabamura ya Nyamira bwabo kubura generator eyo erabeke kubakonya ase ogukora omuchando yo okwana omorokyo monene weskuru eyo George Onkundi nigo ayene kibine gitambukire kyone kingencho na nigo kirabeke gokonya aborokyo wabange asogwikirania chisemi na boigo goikirania emin yo mwako yiga nonya nabo nigo engani yo yabage koegwa okoboko na bateneneli gosina babwatani korwa ancestral yo.
The management BOM together with the parents decided to purchase a power backup through a generator which switches on automatically once the power is off. This was one of the milestones that we met, apart from what we need again in terms of infrastructure, because
nereye getenga bona tunyore generator na tukanyerete bintu binde ase program chetu buna mache na expert jidomitoria sabana bakurara so igobona ntu no mogoko ngari tukeli guchaka rero ekwera Kenya Power nja tokonyete kabeke transform enyema iga igatuchinjirie point assist me sorry skuru guchaka iga se nyombe yiga bona ntu egene tinga guchaka iga abana masomo ariko nyara baiko butuko banyoro musunto cha bachi kurara nguka iyo igonga amasoma bona baguchaka bamaya no ene performance improve na ende isiko ga iga ntukora twatole mesunte igona security lights na botokobeka ekero
Egati abamenyi korase county ya Nyamira nigo besokiri bene nabo igo kwimurunganiria obokoreri obube imiye county yo anene asensemo ya magendero bagukwana nigo babere bakomochia umugavana we county yo Amos Nyaribo asokurutirana chinsese no maseneta we county yo nanya nabo nigo bamwebolire kwerusia abisi asechinga kecho babagukwanira igoro yo mugiro wabakori emirimo be county ya Nyamira.
Ito konene na ndo bosoku twanyo ndo banene mbulinga Kenya ngima ase county 47 into number 47 asa magendero into number 47 out of 47 kubolwo itongo cha sega bana ya Nyamira kibase kichigocha karokene twara kwaliro musara 6 million kwebekere 6 million baliyoko gabana tayo abali munkolera bali abanyageta ali kwegule nkogoma bali bono gabana toka bana number 47 tuli number 47 ekere president yegocha yacha keroka yacha kubekenya getaliane ukobolwe to president kwale kumubolia nani je kwale kongire gesongo ninchieta kana manalo kwana mubolinga tokonya chimazini chia marae abantu baito bapimwa iba bakumya ko childore tiri baba kwana tenwek gaba noito kaba number 47 unangana kiwa kwanere gwaturangeire utobolinga into abarai ngakitoko to number 47 tochi no number 7 na number kianda one number 47 yeyo ogosinyi wateba obosokunga Nyamira no watu asiekire no abarai twabwate tubwata abantu basomete Kenya ngima abarai bachori bachoretwe Nyamira bono twasiekire twabe number 47 bono gaba noito omosene tokongo mugeni tali aroje tagakore research ekotoka number 47 korange gasi yao takono gutamira kongo mugeni okuramira amatanga takono batebanga naigenda amatanga naigenda emichango naetara umira namo nabantu bono batebanga kongo okuramire wetera amatanga ayuna mangana tutali gotegerera ntubuna abantu bansa ntubanye report card tosome tuligeringa ekene kabana tuchieti matanga gete twegeti mwana inchinse iga akorole gogaba noito tiagote bitamero bitige genda asaba na inchi kwana na aba na inchi nande to tebi tibasa kya Nyamira anti corruption tiyeche Nyamira tiripoti ko road ta channel chiora tinga ebintu Nyamira bisalegete ndoma tinga anti corruption yere Nyamira ngo kolere gasi usekanya ngo kolere gasi e president yitege ntenda to kurwani corruption Nyamira to tanga ine to basieka bono kabana gaki kware korona tigere go chiase make iganaye noroche some report ku America inki oroje billion yao kora na tigere to mongino ri ngaba noito usieka number 47 nane gali tukwari utarira nangabona tana na magoro bono twangira abanyamira twangira
Unentere moyo gusira chisemi nige serikali ya kaunti ya Nairobi yabekire emerobili mekirano anene ase okoina na endagira gucha saborke abichiskuru okwana mugavana wa kaunti yo Johnson Sakaja ni gabaga koine kibna morobili yoni gobere kogo chakigwa ase chiwodi 15 na ibere ime kaunti ya Nairobi asekira omorokigwa arachkobaka wakana chisiringi sano elinde koine kibna koine rale endagire yo ya mugaso nanya naboni gabaga kwenekya omuchando oberego kwenekigwa ase chiskuru anene asaborkyo bagutiga chiskuru kubwatkana no kubura kwendagira
tutapatia watoto chakula wakati huo tulijua shule ni za national government. And His Excellency, you went and spoke to the national government, and the national government signed off those schools so that you can run the program to feed our children, because you understood that without feeding these children, anything we were doing with education was not going to be successful. And I want to thank you for that vision. I want to thank you for being able to actually get that done.
Because this is not the only kitchen we've done, but it represents all the others that we've been able to do. I want to really recognize and thank Food for Education, Wawira and your team, Vini and everyone else. Thank you so much for what you're doing with us, what we've been able to do together. Thank you for your sacrifices. Thank you for the organization, your professionalism, making sure our children get food on time.
Eroberio yokwarigania amamiranio ya mamnyoko imiye kaunti ya Nairobi nigo aveire kagoikirana nanya nabo asibara chigosoa gusasiba guchigoikirana bali bakoikirania amamnyoka yo nigo babere bakoboria abakenya gwesokia asobonge nabo igo gotiotereria abaminyoki ase ababoi barabe bakwenyorera ebiegwa chinga kiechobo igo nigo babere bakoeneke buna amamiranio yo niga beteka gokorekana omwaka uria asikorende bali babete bagosoa ase amamirania yo nigo babiri bakwerikia erinde gochikoikirana asomoroberio.
And we want to thank the team from the Expressway who have also done a lot of work, because without their support and without their partnership, thank you very much, and pass our regards to your colleagues in the office. And it doesn't matter whether you lose or not, but you will win. So I think we take that as otherwise, I think I will leave it at that for now. Those are the statistics that maybe we need to know about it. We hope this year round, the results will be much better. Those who won last year, I'm sure you all know who did. On the men's side, 42 kilometers, we had Robert Kiplimo. Number 2 was Charles Yosei, and number 3 was Robert Kipkorir. For the women's side, Naomi Jebet, who will also be running this time round to defend that position, because she has already registered. We had Sharon Arusho, number 2, and Judith Cherubero. 21 kilometers, we had Maxwell Rotich, Vincent Kipkorir, Kennedy Kimutai, and on the women's side, Gladys Chepkurui, Susan Jembai, and Nancy Chepleting. Those are the winners of last year. We'll be looking forward to see whether they will defend their position this year, or we will have other winners, because this is going to be a major championship. And so we want to welcome everybody. I want to also welcome all the Kenyans, wherever they are, whether you are watching on TV, online, physically, wherever you are. Please let us support this marathon. Let us support our athletes who will come and run, and let us cheer them. You know, without cheering the athletes, they will not feel very nice. Let us cheer them, let us clap for them, let us encourage them as they continue to run.
Mwanchi umurigereria korwa soroboti uruni ona ikiro moelio gukumurikira mangana magia asevire bega kurinde toska tonyegera gekoraga ensa eyemo nobe gukumirana nere Josephat Hamisi akomanya mange asenchira yobwikiranu ende gutubwate sinsemo chichi mitandao sinsemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Maigachi kamera soko ene kebna evi chana bayelio giria gwikera sole asenchira ya vene nere Sara Mumanyi na sinsemo chibiero kele tobeto kubatenere Lydia Mose na inchiria ne Kerubo Frida twara obligeria worobia.